My name is Moramai Koman, and I'm a legal advisor for the Caribbean Netherlands at the National Institute for Human Rights in both the European part of the Netherlands as well as the Caribbean Netherlands, so for Saba, Statia, and Bonaire. Kind of like I mentioned already before, we are the National Institute that deals with human rights. We have mainly two tasks. One where we do research on human rights topics, we advise on human rights topics, and one specifically dealing with discrimination complaints. So if someone feels like they have been treated unequally, they can file a discrimination complaint with us where we will then take a look at this complaint specifically. And this is a new task that we have for the Caribbean Netherlands as of the 1st of January of this year. If someone feels they've been treated unequally, they can approach us either through our website or our WhatsApp number, which you can also find on the website, and file a complaint and have a look at this complaint and see whether indeed there are premises to believe that some kind of discrimination took place. For example, in the workplace or in a public school, for example, containing topics such as where you come from, your age, or if you have a disability. We will then take a look at your complaint and see if there are grounds for indeed that discrimination could possibly have taken place. You then have two options. One option would be for mediation. So this is specifically for the Caribbean Netherlands possibility that if you are both parties, so you and the other party choose to go to the route of this mediation, that is a possibility. And the other possibility would then be a formal discrimination complaint, which would lead to a hearing and a judgment. The hearings will take place on the islands, depending on where you are from. That's where the hearing will take place, so either Saba, Statia, or Bonaire. For example, you're a woman and you are now pregnant and you're at work, your contract is ending, your temporary contract is ending, and you would like to receive a follow-up contract. However, this is not given to you due to either your pregnancy or sickness due to your pregnancy. So that's one example of discrimination. Another one would be, for example, you do not have access to certain things due to a disability, and you complain about this and absolutely nothing is done to take your disability into account or to help you provide some kind of services to help you with your disability. There are different grounds for discrimination. Such grounds are, for example, religion, nationality, gender, age. There's a very specific list based on the law that would be grounds for discrimination. So if your complaint concerns one of these grounds, it then falls within the premises of the law. Currently, in the future and coming in the end of this year, there will also open a legal desk on the islands. And the legal desk will be stationed on the islands at some specific times. So you can, for direct help, you can approach this legal desk and they can also help you out with the other steps and how to reach us with a discrimination complaint. Or you can approach us directly through our website. You can file a complaint directly through our website, or contact us via the WhatsApp number, which is also available on our website, or the Facebook page, which you could also find on our website, and we will then help you file a complaint. Quite an easy access, so you do not need a lawyer, and it is also free of charge. So if you feel like you have been discriminated against, you can, at this moment, go on our website, either contact us through WhatsApp or Facebook, or immediately already file a complaint through the page that allows for this.